Hey y'all, it's day 44 of my 100-day challenge, and today we're breaking down a hot topic for buyers. Should you use down payment assistance when buying a home? It can be a game changer, but just like anything in real estate, there are pros and cons to consider. So let's talk about it. We'll talk about the pros first of using down payment assistance. One, less money out of pocket. One of the biggest benefits is that you don't have to bring as much cash to the table. And for many
Wow.
buyers, that's the difference between renting and owning.
Oh,
The
wow.
second thing is it makes home ownership more accessible. If you qualify, down payment assistance can help you get into a home sooner than if you had to save the full down payment on your own. The third thing, some programs offer grants, not loans. You got that right. Some cases, you don't even have to pay it back, but every program is different. And that's why having the right guidance matters. So now let's switch over and talk about the cons or things to watch for. One, more paperwork plus income restriction. Many programs require extra documentation and it comes with income or credit score limits. So you need to stay organized and definitely patient. Second, you may have higher interest rates. Some lenders adjust the rate slightly when you're using assistance. So you need to weigh the long term cost versus the short term benefits. And the third thing I can think of, it limits on resale and your refinance. Some programs might have restrictions on how soon you can sell or even refinance their property. Again, not all, but something to ask about up front. So here's the deal. Down payment assistance isn't free money, but it can be the right fit for the right buyer. It's all about knowing the terms, asking the right questions, and having the right realtor and lender who keeps your best interest first. So if you're wondering if down payment assistance is a good move for your situation, click the link in my bio and schedule your one-on-one. Let's see what's possible together. So I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 45. Smile and be a blessing. It's your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, Shanda McRae.